carbon filtration UV water system on a sailboat. Dirtbag Tech Dad, go. Step 1, measure. The end. Step 4. Cinco.
Step 6.
Step 7.
Step 7.
Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in.
I cannot.
Step 9.
Step 10. Dirtbag Tech Dad projects don't always remind me of medical procedures I recently had, but when they do, it hurts. Step 12. You don't need to worry about it.
Step 14.
Step 12.
I know, but there's pieces that I... Snake?
Sure. Oh, what's next step? Step 12 again. Step 12. Success. Steps 13 through 22.
Taking the rag that I had already had to use to wipe up like a spill on the floor, and I was like,
Steps 12 through 23. Still in progress. Batteries on the multimeter died. Close for missiles. Switching to guns. Operation Ghetto Test Light.
oh, there might be a 9-volt battery in here, Deb.
Complete. Step 24, off. Step 24, on. Step 24, off. Off. On. Off. On. Step 24.
Step 17. Feed the wire.
Feed the wire, save the world.
Oh, there's some down there.
Step 25. Heave. 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 Success. Step 27. Keep going.
So it's just a
Success.
fish.
Dirtbag Tech Dad. Step 28. There's always time for fishing. Make him look huge.
Good trolling bait.
He pooped a lot. Step 24. Ouch. Step 28. Oh yeah. Step 27. Woke up like this.